Hey guys, Mighty Scrapper here, and if you saw my last video, you saw that I picked up this microwave oven. It's a Black & Decker. Might not be able to see that. Black & Decker. And I'm just going to do a scrap out for it. So, first thing here, let me go around here. So, first thing here, it's spring loaded, so it's kind of hard. And you could try to sell this, but it's just, that's Ferris. You could try to sell it, but it's just so old, and it's not really a demand for it, so. Then there's a little pan here. That's just Ferris, but I might keep those. Them are good little sorting trays. And then around here, there's going to be screws, Phillips, and then a couple of security. I'll be right back. I have to go get some security screws, so hang tight. Okay, so I'm back. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to unscrew all the Phillips first. Looks like there's screws under all the feet. I'm working on buying a phone mount. I'm using a mount that I built out of like one of them kits you buy from the store of like build your own plane or build your own car. I just made a cheap little mount, and I'm trying to not knock it over. So I'm hoping there's stuff in here like a microwave. Still has the cord on it, but like I said, it's just. Let's see if we can get that. Tip for any new scrapper is have lots of sorting trays, because you will come across, and like Moose Scrapper says, the more you separate, the more money you'll make. Like I just went out there and separated the Christmas tree, like the socket for the lights, from the regular dirty brass, because I've never taken them to my scrapyard, so I don't know if they'll make me throw it and shred. They should give me dirty brass for it, but just in case they don't, to save time at the scrapyard. Okay, missed a screw here. It's very greasy. I know it's kind of a boring video, but some people like this type of stuff. See, there's more screws here. Just take them out. This should be just like a regular microwave. You know, a couple gun motor, a few circuit boards maybe some type of power supply. Here's where the security comes into play. So you'll need a number 8 for that type of connector. Make sure the camera picks this up. Number 8 for that. For these two back screws. Okay. And I'm just going to knock off the cord because there's no way to feed it through here. So, on here, you got your basic power cord, number 2 insulated. In here, I ripped the brass out of these just to not take up any extra buckets that I don't need to. So I'll do that off camera, but the way I do it is I just twist them. I don't pull the copper out because it's just so, excuse me, it's just so little copper. I mean, it takes more time to pull the copper out of than anything. So to me, it's not really worth the trouble. So on each side, you'll have these Ferris little bars. Okay, put this back up. Okay, now I'm going to take you with me to see the inside. Move this out of the way. Now this should just pull right apart. Of course I say should and I don't want to. This just plastic that pop off. Oh, sorry about that. I'll pick you up. Just get into this. Okay. So, kind of like a regular oven. I mean, microwave. Looks like the control system. Canadian Treasure Hunter loves some switches. So, a couple switches there. No copper bearing motors, surprisingly. Maybe on the other side. So, I'm going to get all this cleaned up and I'll get back to you. Okay, I just finished getting this all scrapped out and I'm a little bummed. I thought it would be more like a microwave. And it was more of just steel and a little bit of glass, but shred steel. And a bunch of wire. So, I mean, yeah, it's worth it to take it out because it's a nice little handful of wire, but there was no motor. There was a switch, I guess you would call it, that goes ding. That's what tells you it's done, but not really a whole lot in here. Just wire, steel, and a little bit of brass. I mean, if you wanted to, I don't really do silver recovery or gold, really. I just collect the RAM and basics, separation, but take it apart if you want to. It's up to you. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to try to link both parts. If not, then you'll get two-part video, but I'm going to try with my new editor to make this one video because I know how it feels to have two parts of a video. So if you like this video, give me a like, comment, subscribe, and keep on scrapping. Have a good day.